you guys for visiting the channel. Today I want to share with you something that took me a while to develop, but in this video I'm going to try to put it all together. And it's basically a solution for you to get way more done than you ever thought possible, really. For you to be so productive that it's going to amaze you. And I'm really not kidding. And we'll get into that in just a second. But first of all, I want you to see that I have on my my R2-D2 shirt, right? Why would I do that? Well, because on this channel, I really want you guys to see that you don't just have to be human. You can be part human, part machine. And I'm not kidding about that. We carry around these phones, we carry around these devices, not realizing that that phone, where's my phone? Oh, I'm using it to do the video. That phone has become like an appendage. It's become like another arm or hand or something. How is that any different from a cyborg? If everywhere you go, you always have your phone, then yeah, you're starting to merge with machine. But I'm all about that. We cool with that. As long as it's going to make us more productive, more successful, can make more money, right? Be able to provide for our families, build the side hustle, right? And also do it in silence. So let's get on into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you need to do is download Gboard for Android. Now, I think Gboard also exists for iPhone. You'll have to go to you have to go check that out. But if you go to Google Play Store, download Gboard. Gboard is going to give you the ability to not only type in your text, but it will give you the ability to speak it. And that's going to be critical when you use the app that I'm referencing called Todoist. One of the biggest obstacles when it comes to making a to-do list, a lot of times we just don't have time to write down the thing that we need to when that time comes. Like, you might be in the middle of doing something and then you have a thought that just pops into your head like, oh, you know what, I do need to do this. Who's going to take out a pen and pad, you know what I mean, at that particular time and do that? It's tough. So I feel like this is a great solution because it allows you to get those thoughts out of your mind and into a tool like Todoist. But the kicker is you can do it through voice. You don't have to sit there and try to type. So it's been extremely helpful for me just to get those thoughts out of my mind and onto paper. But once you have Todoist downloaded, you have to download this, which is the widget, so that you can just add a task right here in from your main screen. And from here, since you've already got Gboard added as your text messaging client, you'll have a microphone here where you can type. I mean, you can just click the microphone instead of typing. Okay, so this is an example. I said take clothes to the dry cleaners today, 2 p.m. And Todoist automatically knew that as soon as I said today, 2 p.m., it will go ahead and put that on my calendar. Folks, this is super, excuse me, super helpful. It's going to allow you to get more things done than your average person. Hey, that's all I got, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely try to implement some of the things that we talked about. You will find that it's going to increase your productivity tenfold. As a matter of fact, when I first started doing this, I was amazed by how quickly my whole life changed. My income shot through the roof. My income actually doubled. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check me out next time where we'll go even deeper. Put something in the comments if you have a question, and we'll touch base. Peace.